doesn't cost anything to come down to the beach and just fly a kite. You tell people there's a kite day and people turn up and fly kites. Lunchtime, the wind comes in, the kites go up, and that's all we have to do really. Because people never remember names, I just became the kite lady. I call it the kite smile. I hand someone a kite and they might have been having a really bad day, but suddenly their face changes and they look up and they smile. And it's the best thing, and down on the beach you get thousands of people just looking happy. We've been having Kite Day in Christchurch for about 25 something years. The first Kite Day we had, we didn't know what was going to happen, but half a dozen kite flyers turned up and thousands of people came down for Kite Day. We've got Peter Lynn Kites in Ashburton who make the biggest kites in the world. If people want to buy kites on Kite Day, it's Youth Alive Trust, which is a charity that's based in Brighton, and they support young people getting into work, and this is part of their work training as retail therapy on the beach. Go online, go to the library. The library's got lots of books on making kites. It's really easy to do. Keep it simple and they'll be successful. And if you're out in the wind, what better thing to do than stand and just fly a kite and play with the wind? Once they've got the kite, don't just put it in a cupboard, but get out there and use it next weekend and go on picnics and take your kite with you and keep on flying. Bring out the inner child and just go and have fun.